Agreement of the verb with the subject. We have already discussed some rules on agreement of the verb with the subject. Today we are going to discuss a few more rules on the same topic. The first rule: subjects differing in number or person or both connected by and take a plural verb. Here we have to note subjects differing in number singular or plural, or person first person, second person or third person, or both differs in number and person. Such a sentence takes plural verb. For example, you, he, and I are members of the same club. Here we are to note that you is the second person, he is the third person singular, and I is the first person singular. So the subjects differing in number or person are connected by and. See, connected by and take a plural verb. See, the verb is plural. So we know that when we connect different persons, when we connect the subjects of different persons, we follow the order second person, third person, and first person. Second person, third person, and first person. And this is what we have followed here, and it takes plural verb. Another example: you and she are going to school to meet the principal. See here, second person and third person. Two different persons are connected by and take a plural verb. Whereas the subjects of different numbers are connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor, take a plural verb. The subjects of different numbers connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor take a plural verb. There we have to note that in different numbers, when it comes to different numbers, we have to place the plural subject near the verb, and then we have to give the plural verb. So that we have to keep in mind. When subjects of different numbers are connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor, we have to place the subject, which is plural, near the verb and then give plural verb. For example, Raju or his brothers have made all these mischief. Raju is a third person singular. Here plural verb, plural subjects, and we have placed the plural subjects near the verb and we have given plural verb. Another example. Neither or her friends are to be blamed. Neither or her friends are to be blamed. Here the subjects of different numbers, and we have placed the plural subjects near the verb, and then we have given the plural verb. Now, when the subjects joined by or no are of different persons, in the previous rule we have seen subjects of different numbers. Here we are not subjects joined by or nor of different persons. The verb agrees in person with the one nearest to it. The verb agrees in person with the one nearest to it. For example, you or he is correct. Can you note that? Either you, that is the second person, or he, that is the third person, and the subject which is near to the verb is the third person, so we have used the third person singular verb. Another example, neither my friend nor I am sorry. When none of, which means not any nor not one, is used with a plural noun or pronoun such as them, or a singular noun that refers to a group of people or things, both singular and plural verbs can be used. None of, when we use, normally nowadays we use plural verb and it can be followed by singular verb too. So let us see one example. None of the family is or are coming tonight. Here, none of the family members is coming tonight, or we can write none of the family members are coming tonight. So here, family, when we say family, it can be followed by a singular noun also, because it refers to a group of people or things, but we have taken it as a one whole, so singular noun can be followed. Or we can write another example. None of them, none of them is or are present. None of them is present or none of them are present. But when we use the denials, so sometimes the question asked like, is there any boy in the room? So then we have to say, no, there is no one. So it is a denial. So in such sentences, we have to use no one when it is singular and none when it is plural. Let us see example. Is there any boy in the room? No. There is no one. So we have used singular. Is there any boy in the room? No, there is no one. It means singular. But the question is plural. For example, are there any boys in the room? Then we give a denial. No, there are none. So in denials, if it is singular, then we give no one, and if it is plural, we give none. Let us go to another rule. A plural noun followed by words expressing quantity like number of, majority of, a lot of is followed by a plural verb. A plural noun followed by words expressing quantity. For example, a large number of women were present in the seminar. A large number of women were present in the seminar. A large number of women. A plural noun followed by words expressing quantity like number of, majority of, a lot of is followed by a plural verb. Another example, a number of students are absent today. A number of students are absent today. And here we have one exception. A plural noun followed by words expressing mathematical figure like a number of is followed by a singular verb. We have seen in the previous rule a number of students are absent. A number of is followed by plural verb when it represents quantity. But when it represents mathematical figure, we use singular verb. For example, the number of illiterate people is decreasing. So here we are talking about a figure, a mathematical figure. So the number of illiterate people is decreasing. That we have to keep in mind. go to another rule. Lots of is followed by both singular and plural verb. For example, lots of water is wasted. Lots of water is wasted. Whereas in another example, lots of people are still on road. So here we can see water, which is not countable, is followed by singular verb, and people countable are followed by plural verb. Lots with an infinite is followed by singular verb. For example, there is lots to be done on the project. There is lots to be done. So, how much? It is not clear. Is a infinite. So, there is lots to be done on the project. So now, let us go to another rule. When an indefinite number or quantity is followed by or plus noun, for example, a good or great deal of, a good deal of, or a great deal of, most of, plenty of, a part of, a lot of, a couple of, rest of, a handful of, lots of. Such words which denote indefinite number or quantity followed by of plus noun. We use a singular verb with a singular noun placed after of, and plural verb with a plural noun placed after of. For example, plenty of water is required. Of plus singular noun, singular verb. Plenty of oranges are needed to make this dish. Of is followed by plural noun followed by plural verb. A couple of changes are required. We spend a great deal of money. It takes a good deal of time. So we can say great deal of money. Okay, so here we have used plural verb. It takes a good deal of time. the rule. 1/3, 2/3, 1/5, all these are fractions. If fraction represent any quantity, amount, area, time and so on, which cannot be counted, a singular verb is used. If they represent number which can be counted, a plural verb is used. For example, 2/3 of the city was in darkness. Here we are talking about area. 2/3 of the city was in darkness. Another example, 1/5 of the people are illiterate. Here we are talking about number. So here people